So Steps, who mailed us this toy bin, Phoebe Adam already likes it. So let's move it. Ava, you can't move it in. It's for cleaning up. This is nice, so they had a couple different colors. I know it's like, oh, this color would work really well for a living room. So guess what we get to do, guys?
Clean up.
No.
Clean up?
No.
Clean up?
No.
Yes.
Can you believe how hard it's gonna be to rebuild all this?
Oh, no. We're gonna
Oh, we don't have to clean that place out.
Just a little step. So here we go. We can move this. Oopsie. Hold on.
Hey, baby Adam, buddy. Buddy. What are you doing?
Yeah, okay, look how, pan how messy this room is, by the way. That's just from this morning.
Yeah, it's just from this morning.
Yeah, wait, let's see. Yeah.
I want to see if...
Oh, it's got a cover on it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
He's like, wait, what? I don't know. Let's just put the toys in with him in there.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, my
Oh,
gosh.
wait a minute. 2 kids. That substantially reduces the area in which we can put toys in there.
Let's bury them. You want to bury them?
Bury them with toys.
Here, let's do it. Okay, so all these little toys, hold on. Oh my goodness, it's so
It
heavy.
will feel hard.
Okay, he's like, wait, I don't know if I like this idea. Baby out. There we go. Uh-oh. No, this isn't good. He's taking all the toys out. Yeah, this is totally how.
I'm sorry, buddy. He's like, wait, no, I don't want toys in here.
You can no clean up. You can no. Here we go. Here.
Can I get in for a second? I want to see if I can fit it in. Close me in.
Okay. Here, Ava, get out for a second.
Ava. No, me first.
Okay, now they're all trying to fit in. Okay, so.
Can I go in?
Yeah, right. Oh yeah, he's filling it up. Like they're all so confused. Okay, here, get
I'll
in.
keep the teddy in.
Okay.
Keep the teddy in.
Keep the teddy.
Okay, here, go in. There we go. Okay. Okay.
Keep the teddy in.
Okay, Teddy in is fine. Okay, get in. Get in.
I want to be in by myself.
Okay. Okay.
That. And that.
Okay. Okay, wait. Your leg's gotta stay out. There we go. Okay.
Hey, there we go.
Ta-da.
Alex is all the way in.
Wow, Alex, we only have 2 kids now. And then,
I want to do
okay.
I stepped on my face. I go like that.
It's funny how this is her toys, but you guys are using it as a toy. Want the later on? Okay, go in. He's like, bye-bye, sister. Look.
Bye-bye.
He's really into it.
I think he's like, wait, no more Ava, no more problems.
Here we go. No, don't stand on it. Wow, she broke free.
I think he's mad that she's out of there.
Okay, hold on. Here we go. Okay, she's locked up, buddy.
There we go.
She's locked
Now
up.
he's like, I want to sit on it.
Hey, wait, let him. Hey, wait, move out of the way. He's climbing first.
Hey, here, I'll help you. Come here. Let me help you. No, good job. Whoa. Oh, he wants to slide down it? Okay, does he want to do it himself?
On top. I think he just wants to go.
Do you want help, buddy?
Okay. Hold on. He's climbing first.
Hold
He
on.
can't do it.
Hold on.
Okay, hold on. There we go. Oh, yeah, boy.
Okay, here, there you go. Now you can put it on.
He's just being too fussy.
Okay. Do you want to put it on? He's probably fine with Ava being out of there.
Okay.
There you go, bud.
Here we go. Ta-da!
Ta-da! Now a little slide. Ready?
This is not made to be a slide.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, or you just want to sit there, bud?
I think you're supposed to hang out.
Hey there, wait. Watch out. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Are you just hanging out? Yeah. This is my little ledge. Whoa, a little slide.
Should we clean up? This was meant to be for cleaning up, guys. And then it's turned into just another toy.
Yeah, sitting up there. Cool, is that a slide?
Last time.
Okay, let's see your slide.
Last time.
I think he just wants to hang out. He's like, no, I'm fine up here, perched like a gargoyle.
I'm so tall.
Whee! Good job, buddy.
Cleaning up about time. So, just all of these little toys here, they all go inside.
Teddy.
And he's going to be mad. Yeah, you want your teddy in there or out?
Teddy.
Here, Alex, grab some toys. You can grab some from over there. Like,
Teddy. Teddy.
Yeah. Man, we have so many little toys, it's unreal. So many toys. Yeah, luckily we've had like little baskets, but this is way better than the mess we had. Oh, wait, don't take his toy that he was playing with. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, anything that he's playing with, you can leave that there. Where's your other toy you were playing with? Okay, we're close to complete. Okay, we're close to complete. So we have a lot of toys in there and your baby bottle. Uh-oh. Wait, don't you want your baby bottle out? There we go. It looks really good. Like, I think the blue looks good here. Oh boy. Oh, I know. Want to get it? You're gonna put your toys in there? Okay, so thank you. Huge thank you to Step 2. This is great. We'll clean up more later once the kids are taking a nap because it's almost impossible when they're awake. But this is really nice. Buddy! We're at the park. Whoa, oh my gosh, I almost fell off there. Ah! Anyway, wanna slide down, buddy? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, good job. Eva's got some shoe problems. And then Dad and Alex are playing baseball way over there. Hey, that's just plain cute. Having fun? We're here to play if you guys want to play. It's like a really pretty sunny day out. Actually, it's a little windy. Oh, you want to go in the car? We can go in the car. Oh my gosh, good job. I don't know if he's ever been to this park before. I've been with Alex and Ava when they were younger. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh. You good? You got it. And then go, do you want me to shake it for you? You know what to do. Here we go. Good job, buddy. You're a smart baby. You got it? Yeah. Here we go. Where are you going now? We're gonna go back to the baby. Do you want to slide? You can slide again. Here, get your shoes on and you can play with us. Okay. You wanna, let's see, let's go up here. We can race. Do I race together? Okay. Wait. Oh. Okay. Right. Hold on. 1 second. Wait. 1. Wow, you went without me. Wow, you won. Yeah, get your shoes on. Hey, Eva, if you want, you can race me. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
On your mark. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Why do you guys always beat me and you go ahead? It's cheating. Oh. Baby muffins. Oh, okay. Hold on. Oh, microphone. Okay. Oh. Let's see. Hello?
Hi.
Knock knock.
Knock.
Who's there?
Baby Adam.
What? Oh my gosh. Hey, wait for me. Wait for me. Okay. Ready, set, come on. Oh, he's ahead. Crazy baby. Hey, how about you race baby Adam? You want to do that? That would be cute. He's like, I'm going on the car again. I want to get a picture of you. Ready? Where are you going now? The slide again? I guess there's not that much to do, huh? He's like, I'll just do the slide 100 times. Are you gonna wait for me? How about I beat you this time? You want to match up the animals? You want to do this? Look, monkey, 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 ta-da! Lizard.
I'm going down this one.
Oh, that's like a bumpy rock climbing wall. Yeah, go ahead though.
Why does it look like a toy, baby?
Yeah, it's more of like a climbing slide.
Yeah, but why?
I think his kids like climbing slides, so they decided to make one. Wait, I want to talk to you. Hello. Hi. Are you having fun? Can you say hi, Mom? Don't say that. Oh wait, hey, there you are. You want to yell into this one? Say, testing. Ooh, driving. Super fun, buddy. Oh yeah, I'll help you from below. Hold on. Yeah, this is actually pretty nice. And Mike's been wanting to play baseball with Alex for a while. Oh yeah, there you go. You can see them kind of playing way out there. Okay, here you go. So put your one foot there. Good. The next foot on that rock right above. Oh, wait, here. Put it right down here. Okay, there we go. Perfect, right here. Perfect. Got it. There we go. Right there. Perfect. Good job. Very good. Ta-da! Oh, speaking of climbing, this guy. You got it. You got it. Do you need help? Do you want help? You can go do the stairs too if you want. You want to say hi? Hi.